4 years ago, we presented the BMW iX Flow here in Beijing. You remember? The world's first black and white color-changing vehicle, and the response was tremendous. With the BMW iX3 Flow Edition, we are taking the next step to bring this innovation to the road. We have fully integrated E Ink into large exterior body components, such as the bonnet. And in doing so, we're elevating the technology to a new level of quality and robustness, while laying the foundation for future implementations. Our customers can choose from several curated animation designs, allowing them to tailor the experience to their vehicle, to their mood and individual style. And my personal favorite, the powerful design you can see here, showing the outlines of iconic landmarks from all over China. And right here in China, where personalization and digital expression are integral to how customers experience their vehicles, this opens up entirely new possibilities.